Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
I will explain the 3 practical ways to connect your JBL Quantum 810 to Ps5. First option is the USB wireless adapter for full wireless audio and headset mic. Second option is the 5mm cable into the DualSense controller for wired audio and chat. Third option is Bluetooth, which commonly connects for stereo audio, but often disables the microphone on Ps5. Choose based on priority: low latency wireless, guaranteed mic via wired, or convenience with Bluetooth audio only. Start by turning off any active Bluetooth or USB connections on the headset. Insert the supplied USB wireless adapter into a front USB port on the Ps5. Power on the JBL Quantum 810 and press the wireless pairing button until the LED indicates a pairing connection. Wait for the Ps5 to recognize the device as a USB headset. Go to Ps5 Settings, Sound, Output Device, and choose USB Headset. Also set Input Device to USB Headset for the microphone to work. For wired connection, plug a 5mm cable into the DualSense controller and into the headset port. This method gives immediate game audio and microphone chat without extra adapters. Remember that Bluetooth on Ps5 often connects audio only and can disable the headset microphone. If you experience no sound, verify the Ps5 output device and volume levels in sound settings. Also check headset battery. Try a different USB port, restart the console, or update headset firmware using a PC if available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.